Hey there, welcome back to Hidden Crown's channel. So many of you have the challenge of hiding your hair extensions. This goes for clip-ins, your crown extensions, and I am going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to conceal them so that when you're moving around during the day, you're not gonna be so worried about your wefts showing through your hair. All right, you guys, so to help you, especially those thin-haired women, I suggest using a teasing powder such as this one here. This is my absolute favorite. It's a lighter weight formula for us finer, thinner-haired women. So if you have trouble teasing your hair, definitely pick yourself up some teasing powder. You can get it at any beauty supply, and it'll definitely help you with this. I'm gonna be showing you how to hide your extensions with my Hidden Crown clip-ins. But this goes for our crown extensions as well. So if you're using our crown style extension and you need to hide the weft area, this same technique is used for that as well, to conceal that one. You'll also need your Hidden Crown rat tail comb and a hair clip. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the first layer quickly. If you need to know how to apply your crown clip-ins properly, definitely check out that video. Go a little more in depth as to what I'm doing. Alrighty, so we've got all three on. Now, you don't have to worry about concealing the bottom weft under here because you have these sections laying over it to where, it doesn't matter how, I'm pulling it apart and it's, you can't really tell. So we really only need to conceal the top two wefts the way I've applied the clip-ins onto myself. So what you want to do is take a section of hair down over where it'll lay over the weft. So I've made a curtain with my own hair, like a small, layer of hair that lays right over that weft right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep this part clipped up for now. And now what I'm gonna do is use my teasing powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take these sections of hair that are laying over the weft, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of the teasing powder in the rooting of each layer of section. Taking my rat tail comb, I'm going to now pick up only your hair. So I'm only picking up my hair here that's gonna lay over here, and I'm going to just gently add tease in the rooting. I would go a little bit further just so that the hair stays together. And I'm gonna do that whole sectioning of hair that lays over the wefts. And then these two pieces, see how there's a separation? I'm just gonna grab a little bit of each and then marry them together. Just like so. And then you can just kind of comb the hair down if it's just really crazy and teased and not as big as you want it. That's okay, you just comb the hair together. And then as you can see, just moving around, how it is like a veil over the weft and you can't really tell anymore, and I haven't even let down the rest of my hair. So this hair alone is concealing the wefts, and it's not much hair, as you can see. It's very thin and fine. And so when I go to let the rest of my hair down, it's all just gonna stay concealed. And even moving my head, you're not gonna be able to see the wefts. And I haven't even like finished styling and hairspraying it or anything. So that's all you need to do, is just create a little bit of tease to make the hair just kind of be like a really nice veil to where the hair doesn't separate. That's what you're trying to achieve here, so that it hides that weft if needed. Now, if you aren't somebody that has a hard time teasing your hair, then the product I showed you may not be necessary. It's just another option for someone that will have a challenge teasing their hair because their hair is super fine and silky, oily, just different instances that women have challenges with teasing. So keep that in mind too. But that's how easy it is. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.